It's Christmas once again. Today I'm gonna open my Christmas presents. Merry Christmas! It says Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Philip. Love, Papa Philip. My dad. So, can I read it? I'm just looking. To put this underwear. Thank you, Papa. I love you. So, presents I'm gonna open. So, it says to Philip from Santa Claus. From Nanay Minda and Tatay Sam. Okay. Guys, sorry, please don't mind the noise, the loud noise. It's the generator. Because chocolate cookies! Thank you, Nanay Minda and Tatay Sam! Okay, next.
Another one from Nanay Minda, Tatay Sam.
Another
that
one from Nanay Minda. This?
Oh.
Oh, that's okay. So, Nanay Minda and Tatay Sam. So, yay! I'm excited to use this. You can't rip. You can't rip it because there's still here. Oh. Wait, it's a pony. I love it! Oh, it's so cute!
Next. Oh, open. I think there's something inside.
There's something inside. Candy! Wow. Thank you, Nanay Minda. Merry Christmas, Feline. We love you, Yin. From Hong Kong Fans Club. Okay. Let's do up next here. This side, this side. This one is this side. Okay, so let's open this. Oh, guys! New shoes! I love the color! It's pink on the outside and kind of lavender on the outside. Oh, thank you! Thank you, Hong Kong Fans Club! Ooh, yay! Next present. Merry Christmas from Hong Kong with love. Another Hong Kong with. What's this? Okay. It's another box. What is it this time? I'm excited. It's another. It's another one of these. Oh, with long blown. Oh my gosh. I love these so much. I love brand new shoes. I love the colors. Oh my god. Thank you. It's Nike. Ooh, what's this? Nike Zoom? Ooh, I love this. Thank you, Hong Kong. Something to say Hong Kong, but yeah. Hey! Baby love, Merry Christmas, I love you. Kuya, Fian, my brother, yay! Kuya, what did he give me this time? Last time he gave me an umbrella, and I loved it. Because it was really helpful. Yes. You have this.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kuya. I love you.
Kuya.
Fian.
Hey, thank you for your piano.
Thank you for the gift. Thank you for the Crocs. I love you. Kuya Fian. It's heavy. It's heavy. To Philly. Merry Christmas, love. Ate Rexel. Yay! Kisses! Oh my god, I don't like There's so much snacks. Bingo. Vanilla. Bingo double choco. Sky flakes. And my favorite. Hershey Kisses. Thank you, Ate Rexel. What is this? Billion Palma.
That's from Mommy Grace.
Oh, from Mommy Grace. It's baby breath. Thank you, Mommy Grace. Grace gave me underwear, undies like this, and it was really helpful. And same as this.
Useful.
Yeah, useful. So thank you, Mommy Grace. The next one. To Feline, I love you. Your fan? Who is this? Your fan. The mysterious. And oh! New slippers! I've been wanting slippers. New slippers for a long time because my slippers are, getting rusty or something. But thank you, my friend. Yeah, someone. But yeah, thank you very much for someone, the person who gave me this. Thank you. Yeah. What's this?
That's from Daddy Lo.
This is Auntie.
Mm.
Oh, from Dadila Angie.
All the way from
Pinamalahan
Cebu.
from Cebu. So let's open this. I'm excited. Yee. A necklace! Not only a necklace, but a cross necklace! I've been wanting this for a long time because I just like, these type of necklaces and the little thank you, little Angie. I love you.
And another one from Daddy Lo.
This.
Mm.
Oh,
Asya na?
do you know
Yeah,
what
another
reminds
one.
me of this? It reminds me of Squid Game. Okay. A what? A what? A pink transparent swat! Ah, guys, so cute.
Thank
I
you.
love it. Thank you, Lola Auntie. I love you again. Thank you very much. I love this. So cool. It's pink. It's weird. Oh, and the box is also pink. Yeah. And this is from Mamila Emma all the way from Cebu. Thank you, Mamila Emma. Love you. And earrings. Also. And also another one from Mamila Emma all the way from Cebu. Thank you, Mamila Emma. I love you. This is from
Daddy Junjun.
Daddy Junjun and Mama Fedilis. So thank you. Oh my money!
Thank you.
Thank you, Daddy Junjun and Mama Fidelis. Oh my god, there's so much money. I got money in my hand. Okay, I love money. I love to collect. So next one is
You open.
money. So this money. So these are all the money I got from the Christmas games. Yeah. So from the games, we had games on Christmas. This is what I got. So I was really happy that I got all of these.
Thank you.
Thank you, Papa Ni and Mama Fidelis for the sponsor. So thank you. So that was all, and I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. So Merry Christmas, everyone. Love you.